Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Happy Sowing, Happy Growing. Today I'm going to be making a little waterer, just a little, something I can feed my plants with, because I've got all these that I'm starting to do now. All these up here, these are all penstemons that I've taken and split. Out of one plant, I think I've got 8 plants after they've been split, so I'm over them with those. But the problem is I've got a massive watering can down here. I don't know if you can see that. I've got that, and I really don't want to make that much feed up at a time and waste it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some in there, fix the top, get some holes in there so I can use the feed. I have this one where I soak them in there, but I also want to put some feed from the top, and I've got my big one. This is just for water. This doesn't have feed in, this one, so 2 separate ones. I'm going to get another one of these because that I can do the feed in as well. But yeah, just show you how I go about transforming this little pop bottle. Right, all you need for this is a set of pliers, a pretty thick pin for darning, repairing things. As you can see the thickness of that, quite thick, so it makes a good water flow through there. All I need to do then is in between there, like so, make sure, and then we want to get, because I'm in the greenhouse, I haven't got access to my cooker. I get nice and hot. You don't want to have these lights on for too long, because you don't want to explode it on you, but just long enough, just get it hot enough, just so it melts straight through. So there we go. Yep, that's spot on that. Three in the middle. We'll see what that's like, shall we? See some water in there. You know, like I said, 2 litres of feed is a lot better than having to make 10 litres up and wasting 8 litres or wasting 9 litres. So we'll just fill that up. It's got a decent amount in. And then we'll give it a go. Get these out of the way. And my pin as well. Nice and safety. We'll get the top on this, shall we? And hopefully, like I said, if it's, I'd rather just 2 little holes than two bigger holes. If I just took the holes that are too big, see, once they're in here, then I can give them, oh, that is absolutely brilliant, that. Good flow, not too much. So look, I'm not pressing on it, just make it a little bit more. So yeah, that's basically how to make yourself a 2 litre little water feeder. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.